In this video, I'm going to be performing multiple speed test runs on this Happyrun HR G60 e-bike. This bike is faster than the G50, but let's get the data to prove it. I'm going to do a speed run here, hit the reset button, and we're off. Now this is no pedaling, flat ground. Miles an hour in 12 seconds. Do a speed run here, hit the reset button, and we're off. Definitely gets to 28 miles an hour. Alright, I was able to get up to 29.9 miles an hour, so I'm consistently getting to about 30 miles an hour. It does take a little bit to get from 28 to 30. You really have to be on a long straightaway and get it wound out. Gonna do a speed run here, hit the reset button, and we're off. 10 miles an hour in 5 seconds. This is no pedaling. 20 miles an hour in 9 seconds. Alright, on that speed run, I was able to get to 30.6 miles an hour. We'll confirm that with the GoPro telemetry data. Let's do one more speed run. The reset button, I'm at 52 volts. So let's see what we do. We're off. Miles an hour in about 6 seconds. 20 miles an hour in 11 seconds. after doing several speed passes, I was able to consistently get to 30 miles an hour. I probably saw 31 miles an hour when I really got this wound out. So I'm pretty happy with those results over the G50, which was, in my opinion, choked out by the controller. This one must have a better controller. I'll take a look under the seat to confirm that. But I hope that you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching.